everyone, it's Darla from Crafty Yarn Owl. How are you? I'm doing good. All right, are you sick and tired of seeing this blanket? I got it on my chair right now. I know I've shown it to you when it was a whip. I showed it to you when it was a finished object because I thought it was finished. It was finished until hubby says he wants the blanket, but he wants it longer. So thankfully, I had 4 extra balls of the yarn I used for this blanket. So I made it longer. I'm going to give you a measurement and how many yards it took and all this, you know, all that stuff. Okay, let me just get up here and grab this blanket and take it off the chair. Okay, let me just adjust you, if you don't mind. Okay, so he had said the width was good, but he said the length, he needed it longer. So let me just go back here and I don't know, where are my feet? Okay, I see my feet right here. Okay. Yeah. So I am 5'5½". He really isn't that much taller than me, but he wanted to go over his feet and then, you know, to keep his little tootsies warm. So I have a tutorial for this. I did it in a different color. And then I got this yarn later and made it in this color. So I did put a little picture of a swatch on the thumbnail of that video, that tutorial video of this one, so that hopefully the stitches show better. So, all right, let's chat about the yarn. I'll just kind of recap, but I got different numbers for you since I made it longer. Oh, I gotta put you guys back where you were. Okay, something like that. I got written down here 50 wide, but when I just measured it was 45. Could it have shrunk? Because I did wash it. After I finished it the first time, I washed it because he doesn't like any, like, it gets rid of some of the fuzzies that's on it, right? Huh. I don't know. I just laid it on the floor like you saw in the little clip at the beginning. Anyway, measures 45. Huh. Okay. Things that make you go, Okay, so the yarn. Oh, wait. So, okay, it's about 45 now for some reason. And it was 60 inches long, but now it measures 76 inches long. So that's 6 feet 4 inches. That means I added 16 inches, and that was 4 balls of yarn that added 16 inches. And I just have a single crochet border, so that, you know, that didn't take up much when I was measuring the length or width or anything. Okay, now there are 24 labels here, so it's 24 balls of yarn. It's an ice yarn. It's a bulky 5. No, they call it a chunky 5 batik, and it's 100% acrylic. And I used a 9mm because I didn't want the fabric to be stiff. So I used a larger hook, a 9mm. This is the number 50845. So if you go to Ice Yarns and you enter that number in, it takes you right to this very color. At the time when I bought it, they had several colors listed, but this was the only one that they had in stock. So I don't know what they have today. I did not look. Beautiful, stunning colors though, right? I love this blanket. And yes, it is heavy. It is heavy. And because I added on to it, it's even heavier than it was before. On each one is 120 meters, 131 yards. So I recalculated to get a total amount of yardage I used with these 24 balls, actually meters first, I'll tell you. 2,880 meters, which is 3,144 yards. 3,144 yards are in this blanket that measures 45 by 76 inches. So what did I have left of those 24 balls? Oop, right here. It's bigger than my eyeball. But yeah, that's all I had left. All right, guys, so that's it. Hopefully I don't have to show this again because I don't have any more yarn to do anything more to this blanket. This is all I have. Well, I could make a little tassel, maybe one tassel for one corner. No, this will go in the scrap bag for cat blankets or something. I ordered 2 mystery boxes from the Knitting Network. I hope they're both here this week. And so I'll be doing openings on those. And I have to pick the winners for my birthday giveaway. You'll see the winners after this video sometime. Guys, and I'll see you all again soon. All right, bye.